These are some of the most epic vegan chicken sandwiches I've ever made, and each of them are inspired by my favorite meals with chicken. A big brunch hash, barbecue mac and cheese, and a big old plate of buffalo wings. So let's get into it, starting with perfect vegan crispy chicken patty. So if you're feeling fancy, I've already done an episode on how to make the best crispy chicken patties at home. Now you can use store-bought vegan patties here too. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. I've also seen people use fried tofu or mushrooms for their patties, so use your imagination. Now that we have our patty, let's fry them up in 2 inches of peanut oil at 375 after getting them wet in a seasoned wash and dredging. You can find the recipe for the wash and the dredge in the description as well. While you're frying that up, go ahead and toast up your nice looking vegan buns with a nice bit of vegan butter on a pan. Once toasted and the chicken's all fried up, it is time to make the slammin' sandos. First up, we got the Big Bad Barbecue Mac Daddy. This is built to have all the flavors of a plate of mac and cheese and barbecue chicken. I'm using the fast mac recipe from my mac and cheese 3 ways video. This mac is amazing on its own and convenient. In the recipe, you make a cheese mix first and then whisk it together with some pasta. Next up, we're brushing the patty with barbecue sauce. I learned this technique from another vegan YouTuber, the Burger Dude. By brushing, you get full control over the amount of sauce that you're adding, which depending on how much you add, keeps the patty crispy and makes sure the sauce doesn't overwhelm the other flavors. Add a slice of cheese, either by melting it with a culinary torch or warming it up in a pan, and serve. Check that out. We just put an entire barbecue on one sandwich. This is similar to my barbecue ribs and mac crunch wrap episode, which has a great homemade barbecue sauce recipe. But next up, we have a contender for the most epic, the Big Rig Brunch Sando. This beast of a burger is dedicated to those who wake up hungry and list breakfast as their favorite food group. We start off with a generous spread of homemade chipotle mayo, 2 slices of tomatoes seasoned with some flaky salt. Next, brush your patty with maple syrup for that chicken and waffles vibe. So after you drizzle and brush your maple syrup on top of the patty, place a hot and ready Just egg. I use their pre-made egg folds. Add your vegan cheese, and if you don't have a torch, heat it up on the egg. That works just as well. Now top that with the hash brown. I fried this in the same oil I used for making the crispy chicken, and serve. When you bite into this, you get the flavor of a whole breakfast hash. The heat of the chipotle, the sweet of the maple syrup, and the crunch of the potato patty. It's absolutely incredible, but can it be topped by the buffalo blue cheese wang sando? This rich, tangy, and spicy sandwich is perfect for anyone who just likes tangy buffalo out there. Start by making a blue cheese coleslaw by adding vegan blue cheese dressing generously to thinly sliced cabbage. Top that with your crispy patty, then brush on your buffalo sauce. Melt your vegan cheese on top. Add 2 slices of seasoned tomatoes. And of course, even more blue cheese dressing to your bun. Then give him his little juicy hat to finish. Best served with a crunchy lager. You get all the elements of comforting pub food in this, and it's downright tasty. These sandwiches are absolutely delicious, and I hope this inspires you to try making different sandwiches in your kitchen. If you like this episode, check out the others on the screen. Please give it a like and a subscribe, and until next time, my friends, be kind to each other and keep cooking.